Hello, these are the showers and the lockers here at the Rotary furnace.
Get your flag here, that's good.
Hi, okay, hi.
I gotta open this up.
Part of a bathtub.
Yeah.
Put a can mark. That's what. Okay. It's kind of a 1940s structure, but restoring it. And basically what it does is it takes this block and it's stuck. Breaking it down, it takes this block, put it in the back up, and set it at the top. And the big spring there is the slip here. It gets stitched up like a cow. Cow. Up there. And then if this is up there and it didn't fit, they put a sled on it. But the nice part, we just remove all that stuff. This is what's coming out. And it would come down the grid right here. Anything bigger that would go in, it would jam everything. And then it would go down that hopper. See the hopper right here? And it come in here. And then there's a wheel that looks like a train up here. It goes back here and it pitches the ore in here. And that is a furnace. So instead of having the big barrels and the whale pots that they were talking about, they're now into mass production. 10 people it takes to operate. In that hoeing table, they put a little lye in there, and they would mix it up, and then they would they'd get their pure mercury, 76 pounds, and they put it in a bottle, and they'd ship it around the world. And that 76 pound bottle comes from the Romans. And they had it. That was they said on the standard for the Roman time. That was pure. Almaden mercury, if you could get it, was pure. It was good. It was one of the best. It wasn't mixed with a lot of junk. This is very heavy, and you get your pure mercury.